Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that it would be interesting to do a day in the life quarantine edition, since I do live in California and as of right now we are going through like a quarantine situation because of the COVID-19 virus and everything. So this is probably like day 7, I believe, of quarantine for me at least. And it's getting to the point where it's like it's kind of getting boring as fuck. And I've been trying to like think of content to put out and everything, but I can't think of shit. Like I don't know. So this is why today I am doing a day in the life. I'm basically just gonna show you guys like what I've been doing. Pretty much nothing, because like I literally can't go anywhere. I've literally just been here and then like going back and forth to my other house, which is only about like 10 minutes away. So that's probably what we're gonna do today, because my cousins and everything are over at my other house. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is like make up the bed and everything. I got up about an hour ago. I really haven't done much, but that's why I thought it would be like the perfect time to make this intro right now. So yeah, I'm gonna make up the bed and clean up a little bit. I'm gonna get dressed and everything, and then I'm gonna be on my way over to my other house, and then hopefully we can film something over there. We just been chilling pretty much over there, but I'm just gonna vlog the whole thing just so you guys can literally see what the fuck quarantine is. The shit is boring and I'm ready to go back outside and have fun, but until then this is what we're doing. So yeah, watch me make up my bed now. So now that the bed is made, I am gonna just change into my quarantine outfits, which has basically been sweats and a t-shirt. And I'm gonna wait for my boyfriend to get out the shower, and then we are gonna be on our way to our second location. So yeah, we will see you then. Oh yeah, and while we're like talking about the whole virus quarantine situation, I also wanted to share with you a little bit of like what we've been doing to prevent ourselves from getting sick. It's pretty easy. It's mainly just like air purifier, humidifier, and also taking like your immunity elderberry shots, ginger shots. You can get them at like Trader Joe's or Safeway. I'll be able to show you guys the shots that we're currently taking, like the little juices that we're taking to help our immune system. They are at my other house. I left them there last night on accident, so I'll be able to show you guys like that we're taking right now. But here I can show you like the air purifier and the humidifier, which is very essential during times like this. We do feel like everyone should have like humidifiers and air purifiers anyway, just to like always keep the air clean, and so you can prevent getting sick like at any time of the year. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys ours. Okay, so here's our air purifier. It's just a small one. We actually got it as a gift from one of my cousins. But yeah, it's a cute little air purifier. It has like a little LED light at the bottom. It looks really pretty at night, like when the room is a little more dark. And it has like a low and a high setting up here, and you can also put it on a timer and everything. So we like to just have this running like throughout the night when we're asleep, and it eventually like can turn off by itself and everything. But yeah, I feel like everyone should definitely invest in an air purifier. Good investment. And then over here is our humidifier. We actually got this as a gift too for Christmas from my sister, and this is probably the best Christmas gift we've ever gotten. It also has LED lights. It like blinks different color lights, but we usually put the lights on at night. You can't really see them in the daytime. But yeah, this also has settings. It's on a timer, so you could either pick like 60 minutes, 120 minutes, 180. and you can just let this run through, and this is good for just like keeping the air like moist and opening your sinuses if you have like a stuffy nose or anything. So yeah, we've just been doing that. We've been putting like lavender and eucalyptus mainly in it, and it makes the room smell so good as well. And as you can see, we have like our medicines, we have inhaler and everything right here. But yeah, this is pretty much what we've been doing to like keep everything all good, make sure that we're, you know, fighting this virus so that we can stay healthy out here, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then when I go to my other house, I'm going to show you guys the immunity shots we've been taking.
We're rolling.
We're rolling. Okay, so we're at our second location, and nothing's happened so far. Quarantine is still boring, and I'm eating some pasta. Someone's a little grumpy and doesn't want to get in the camera.
Can be a challenge in the midst of a quarantine.
And someone wants to blast the TV behind me.
So the group's Secret Boston has been sponsoring sing-along.
This is life right now. It is almost 6 p.m. Mind you, we woke up like around 12. This is how it's been every day. We've been waking up hella late, going to bed hella late. Because it's not like we have a reason to be up early, right? Stop. Oh, let me show you the shot, the immunity shots that we're also taking in order to keep ourselves healthy. So yeah, this is the shot. It's an immune boosting shot. It has ginger, turmeric, black pepper, all the things to, you know, keep the immune system strong so we can fight the coronavirus.
Please stay safe. Good night.
So yeah, we're just chilling. We might do the fruit roll-up challenge. I did buy fruit roll-ups. I did buy fruit roll-ups for us to do.
Warren County takes drastic steps to limit the amount of people gathering outside, closing down 18,000 acres of parks, including Point Reyes and Your Woods. Good evening, I'm Eric Thomas. We'll have that story in just a minute, but first...
This whole quarantine, we've been eating like the same shit in a different form. Like we've been eating pizza, pasta, lasagna, all pretty much the same thing, but just in different forms.
The immediate closure of all parks due to crowding.
But you know what, I'm not complaining.
Visitors has caused a lot of anxiety among locals who are trying to stay healthy.
There's Taya.
Guys, I'm looking around. Edit that part out, okay?
No.
Please, no. Do you want to ruin my reputation?
You can see you through the mirror back there. Okay, so it is now 7:30, and we pretty much just wasted like a couple of hours just sitting around, because that's what these days, this is what quarantine consists of. We're trying to figure out what game we want to play.
Candyland.
If we're gonna play Candyland or not. Why are you chewing mints?
You know what?
He's chewing mints. This is literally what quarantine comes down to. Like, Jonathan is chewing mints. Bryce is like coming and leaving every 5 seconds. Ralph is on the
Fucking game.
I'm about to go get
Call of Duty. Taya is in her room.
Not dressed.
Not dressed.
Hair messed up.
Stop. And I am here trying to get some content. Like, it's literally been so fucking dry around here. Like, I'm trying to make the most of it and like film, but it's so hard when we're literally not doing shit. And I don't know. This is me attempting to like be productive and get some content, but it's like, well, damn, what kind of content am I gonna get out of a dry ass day like this?
Damn, bruh.
I don't know. And like I said earlier, we were gonna do the fruit roll-up challenge, but every time everyone all comes together, someone else is doing something and we aren't able to. So this is what it comes down to, people. This is quarantine life. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But I'm giving you raw and real. This is what it is.
If you're on quarantine and you lit, let us know where it's at.
Right, if you're on quarantine and you lit, don't let us know where it's at, because we're not coming, but...
What is that, 4K?
Yeah.
I knew it.
No, yeah. I don't know. No, it's not.
I kicked out the screen guarding the window, and I just decided I was going to pee out of the window.
She's such a party pooper.
Oh, come on, say
I look a mess.
Wait, you can scoot over some. Wait, not yet. Damn. Okay.
Don't put it in your mouth until.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. You're right. You suck. Kadeeja, come on, man. I'm rooting for you. Right. It's a tie. It's a tie. It's a tie. It's a tie. It's a tie.
I won.
It's a tie. Cause Ralph and him both. No, look, I got it. Ralph finished first.
Me. Thank you.
Ralph, yeah, Ralph did it.
You gotta fucking loud.
But you finished like right, like it was damn near the same time.
I was trying to throw it in my mouth.
Look at how much I have left.
I figured out
You
the
were
tactic
the-
after. What? Is that the folded part?
No.
No, I
Literally,
seen.
the first second in, you were already laughing.
Cause
I seen him, and I was trying to throw that little part in my mouth, and then I was all like,
the sound of everybody slurping was like.
No, literally, as soon as I said go, you were already laughing. I was
Bro,
like,
was
bro,
he
I
doing
can't.
that shit back
Because Jonathan was like,
Yeah, no, Jonathan was making
I
out,
like the end, bro.
but nothing was going
it out
on.
the tactic, like,
in like 2 seconds. Yeah,
You
it's
have to
it's
slurp
kinda like,
and
yeah,
no,
like
it's
that.
not.
I fucking suck, dude. Like, look at, I have the whole thing still.
Jonathan was over there making hella noise, and he was still long.
And I was like,
what are you doing?
And I was right by him. That's why it was funny. Because he was like,
Yeah, like nothing was even going on.
well, that was the fruit roll-up challenge, y'all. Now back to
What?
being a boring ass night.
What quarantine day are we on? 5?
We're
7?
on like 8.
Damn.
No, 7. And this is what it comes down to.
You playing Candyland now?
For money?
I ain't tripping.
Jay don't like playing Candyland.
Look at the beginning, like
I was on that nigga shit.
you were already laughing like the whole time.
It was funny, man. It was some funny shit. It's just a game. It's not that big of a deal. It's not like it's money on the line or
Yeah,
anything.
get up and play. Come on, you're wasting time. We got a host.
Wasting time, I already told y'all to go.
Go.
I should have did something else for falling in love. She could have done
He's
that.
still thinking.
No, I could have got that one. I'm mad about that one.
I thought
You should have felt a little more dramatic.
that,
but
Cause it looked like you
That still
slipped.
was
It didn't
good.
look like you like actually like
That
fell.
still was
good. Stop. It's just a game. Come on.
No!
Alright, give it one last shot, and then after this.
Yeah, if you don't vibe after this one, then you can let it go.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, y'all gonna start vibing. Yeah.
hey, man, look,
The vibe.
I don't got an issue.
Look,
So that means
Come
she
on.
gonna start vibing.
come on.
Come on.
Vibe with me. Vibe with me.
Fine.
Bye.
I've
can't
been
force it.
vibing with you.
All right,
All
sorry,
right,
it's
ready,
time.
go.
Y'all wanna hug?
So it is currently 12:26, and we did just get back home. We had like a little game night, which you've seen a little bit of, but it kind of got heated, so we decided to cut it short and just call it a night because, yeah, it was beginning to be too much. So yeah, you basically seen like what we did in a day, which was pretty much nothing. I mean, I know it was like not a lot of content. It was like kind of dry, but that's literally quarantine life. Like we literally can't go anywhere. So we just try to make the best of what we can do inside the house. But yeah, I think today was definitely one of the most exciting days we had so far out of all 7 days so far, because literally all the other days have been us just like sitting around playing video games or watching movies. So I think today was pretty eventful, and I got to, you know, get that on camera and everything. But yeah, I am going to get in the shower now, and I am going to get in bed and maybe watch a movie and call it a night. I might film other quarantine days. I might film tomorrow, depending on like what we're doing, because I don't want to like bore you guys with too much boring content. But I just wanted to show you guys like literally what the fuck quarantine is, like what it's consisting of and what the fuck we're doing, which is pretty much nothing. But I've kind of been watching other people's quarantine days, and I don't know, like even though they're not doing much, it's still interesting to see how people are like spending this time. So yeah, I'm gonna go get in the shower. I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and have a good night. Bye.